Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY candles at home. And honestly, these are really simple to make. Don't need a lot of materials either. Also, while you're here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I am rebooting this channel and I need all the love that I can get. Anywho, let's get started. So these are the things you're going to need for making candles at home. Some old wax candles, paper cups, ice cream sticks, wax crayons and some fragrances that you like. You're also going to need candle wicks. I made these using threads and dipping them in hot wax. You can also obviously reuse the wicks from old wax candles. Clearly I got a lot of time on my hands, so I just went ahead and made mine full DIY style. Okay, so moving on. I had this soap dish at home and it is just too pretty, so I decided to use this as a container for the candle. Now this is a small mold, so I won't need too much wax. I'm going to heat this wax on gas, obviously without the paper cup. Now I'm going to just fold the wick a little bit and place it in the center of the container. This is the melted wax. I'm adding a French lavender fragrance. You guys can add whatever you like, just stir it a little and pour. It's that simple. Alternatively, you can also stick the wick at the bottom of the container, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to place this ice cream stick here to keep the wick steady. Now that the wax is semi-cool, I'm just adding a few flower petals. And there you go, the candle is ready. It looks beautiful and it smells amazing. Now for the next candle, I'm going to do a half and half. And I'm using this shot glass as a container. I'm basically going to follow the same process again, except that this time I'm going to put some wax crayons in the hot wax for color. I'm doing a half and half candle, so I will pour this orange wax only halfway and allow it to cool down. While it cools down, I'll melt a little more wax for the second layer. I am putting a neon yellow color in this. And then I'm just going to pour it into the glass. Make sure the wax below has completely cooled down before you pour a new layer. Now I'll just cut the extra wick and we're done. I also went ahead and made a few different colored candles, light and dark blue, pink and peach. I also made this full blue geometric candle. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to share it and subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you so much for the 1K subscribers. I love you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.